A number of high schoolers as well as junior club fighters were among the local amateur boxers who showcased their skills at the GC Foster Boxing Fiesta held at the school grounds in Spanish Town recently. Here's Denise Walters with the details.
Maricia Palmer of St. Andrew Technical High School Stats was one of the few girls or women fighting on the night. Palmer, who also represents Lions Den and GC Foster Boxing Club, won unexpectedly on debut, getting the better of Diana Hill of Fit Like a Fighter Club.
Just to have fun. Since my first fight, just to have fun, just to show. I could have done more, but I didn't. That's my fault, honestly. But the win was surprising, so I'm grateful.
Jasmine Graham helps to oversee Palmer's program.
Actually, Wayne Roberts here is the original coach. I'm here as the technical coach to help her to finalize her game plan. We did a game plan at the ringside and she executed.
Marc-Andre Mendez and Tashawn Henry are both from Ferncourt High.
Officially, I fought one fight, but I fought in multiple exhibitions and if you include sparring as well. I did win, but it was as I expected. A lot of lights, a lot of people shouting, telling, "Red boy, thump him down," etc., etc., etc. But it was genuinely a wonderful experience.
I have fought 2 matches officially and 1 unofficial match, and I have 2 wins and 1 loss on the unofficial.
For Ferncourt's coach Lerone Webb, it was good for his charges to get some experience.
It's another opportunity for the youths to shine. We have had a lot really this year, but I'm really happy that the boxing board has put on something so we can get to come out and get some rounds in.
Cody Murphy from Fit Like a Fighter Club won his first fight on his second outing.
So basically, what I was doing, I was walking into the 3s and 4s because I wasn't really moving my head as much. So he was catching me with a lot of 3s and 4s. So every time I jab, I had to step box and throw the right. It was a pretty good fight. Never expected to get a technical knockout, but to get the win, I'm very happy. So when I go home, I'm about to Madison win the fight.
Odain Taylor, head coach at Fit Like a Fighter, is happy that junior boxers had a chance to showcase their talent.
Long awaiting something like this for the kids. I mean, they've been training for months and for years. Some of them have been training for months, and they were eagerly awaiting something like this.
Boxing stakeholders are lauding the initiative.
I feel very elated. Boxing is not a sport that is in demand on the island, and I feel good that GC Foster and Wayne Roberts is putting on something for the youths to get the exposure that they need.
It's a good venture, The fact that it's on a decline, the more boats that keep around the diaspora, you'll have more talent coming out. So it's a good venture.
We're very, very encouraged by what we're seeing here, and we definitely want to have more shows here. So we'll speak to them and see if we can have the pro-am cards coming here as well as other venues, because it's a fantastic venue and a fantastic concept. So very, very good.
The fight night was spearheaded by final year Bachelor of Science students at GC Foster.
It's a part of a growing initiative that I've been mandated to put boxing in all the high schools in Jamaica, and this is a prelude to what's coming for Jamaica.
Wayne Roberts, chairman of the organizing committee, says the event won't be one-off and will be promoted under the Gloves Over Guns initiative.
We will be taking this on the road, so look out. We'll be coming to your neighborhood because we're trying to reach the inner city youth, knowing that, listen, you don't have to really pick up the thing. You see it? There's many other ways, and there are many other sports. It's just not track. We are very talented in Jamaica.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.